Good morning, all of you. My name is Faiza Makbul. I am a student of class 11 of City Public School. Today, I am going to present the story of my role model, Gallantry Award winner Subedar Joginder Singh, the Lion of Gumla, a tribute to the brave heart of 1962 Indo-China War. Now, first, we talk about his early life. He was born on 26 September 1921, Mahala Kalan village, Punjab. He joined British Indian Army in 1936 and served in Sikh regiment. Subedar Joginder Singh showed courage and leadership from a young age. His dedication and bravery made him a respected soldier of the Sikh regiment. Let's focus on his military career. His regiment was 1st Battalion, Sikh Regiment. He fought in World War II and Indo-China War 1962. He is known for discipline, bravery and leadership. By 1962, he had risen to the rank of Subedar and was admired by his men for his sense of duty and valor. Now let's talk about his contribution in the Battle of Gumla. On 23rd October 1962 in Tongpanla NEFA, now in Arunachal Pradesh. And the situation was that 20,000 Chinese soldiers attacked only 120 Indian soldiers. Subedar Joginder Singh commanded C Company. Despite being heavily outnumbered, he motivated his men to hold their ground and defend India's honor. Let's know what he did for nation and his ultimate sacrifice. He repelled 3 waves of Chinese attack. He fought bravely despite severe injuries. He was captured by Chinese troops while unconscious and died in captivity, a true martyr. His indomitable spirit continues to inspire every Indian soldier and citizen. He was awarded by Paramveer Chakra for his extraordinary courage, leadership, and supreme sacrifice while defending the motherland in the face of overwhelming odds. His legacy lives forever. His memorials are in Punjab and Arunachal Pradesh. One biopic of his life released in 2018, which tells deeply about his life. He is remembered every year on Army Day and Republic Day. His name shines eternally in the history of Indian valor. The inspiration we get from his life. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The lesson we get, duty, leadership, and selfless service to the nation are the true marks of a hero. And thus, we conclude that Subedar Joginder Singh bravery is not just a story from history. It is a living example of patriotism, courage, and sacrifice. Let us salute this real hero who gave his all for the nation. Jai Hind. Information collected from the resources are as follows. His award information are collected from gallantryawards.gov.in. His official information are get from official Indian Army website, and his life deeply information get from the movie Subedar Joginder Singh 2018, CBSE Project Veer Gatha portal. Thank you.